Hey everyone, quick mail call here. Got a letter today from no other than the great Mick D. Poor. Pickin with Mick D. Poor. Got a super cool channel. Like his stuff. Go check him out if you guys haven't yet. But yeah, he sent me one of his new items and a couple extra stickers, things like that, I do believe. But let's open it up and see for sure. Try not to cut anything that's in there. Ooh, look at all that stuff. Nice. He packed it full of goodies. And one of his new guitar picks he just got in. With the sticker on it. Check that out. That is cool. Too cool. Nice. Yeah, that's gonna look cool up over here. Stick that right with the chips. We'll stick that right front and center. Nice spot for it. Look at that. Cool. Oh, this is a different version. I like that. It's got a nice gloss finish to it. It's a nice sticker. Ooh, truck and lock. I had a smaller one of his. Thought it was right over here somewhere. Yeah, I'm not sure where it is, but nice. Now I got a nice big one of those. Any duplicates and stuff like that, I'm gonna put in my giveaway. So that'll be finalized real soon. Just waiting for a few items to come in, and I'll announce it for the 200 sub appreciation giveaway. But he tossed me some extras for that. Super cool of him to do that. He didn't have to do that. Stu, I see you. I finally got a Stu sticker. Charles Watt. Cool. Oh, nice. Couple TLP, 1969. The Lock Picker, 1969. That's a nice one, that holographic. I like that. Ooh, and an otter. Nice. Well, thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate it. Like I said, if you guys haven't checked him out, go check him out. He's a great dude. Even on Discord, stuff like that, we've chatted. And really cool guy. Really supportive. Just a real down-to-earth guy. So, appreciate that. I like what he's doing over his channel, stuff like that. And look forward to future videos. Thanks again.